Hi all, welcome to today's post market report. And looking at today's price action is actually happening as what we were expecting. Only thing was Nifty was not supporting the Bank Nifty. So again, if you go through what is our morning view and what has happened is exactly the same. So we were expecting the bounce, and even I was expecting Nifty to bounce, but only thing was Nifty was not supporting. Maybe that could be the reason why Bank Nifty also little slightly dragged down. And for the day, if you look at where the market is, so Nifty is trading around like closed around 16,240 level. So for the day it was down 61 points, but if you look at Bank Nifty settled around 34,482. That means 200 point above. So it's a kind of confusing market. So seems like Bank Nifty is up 20 like 200%. Even for the day, mid of the day, though Nifty was flat like 0.2%, 0.3%, Bank Nifty was up for more than 1.2%. So that's a kind of even the price action which I was expecting was reflecting in the Bank Nifty. And moreover, India VIX is settled again. Was up for the day 1.2%, and moreover it is trading around 22. So again from here on, so what is the price action and how it is happening, just concentrate on this part. So next 2 days is going to be a kind of very tricky day. So in case if you wanted to mark the price action last 3 days, so whatever you think upon for the last 3 days, so Bank Nifty just trying to consolidate. Okay, today even it is trying to breach that level and it is testing, so closing around somewhere here. So how the price action for the Bank Nifty, so what we can expect is once this last 3-day high, so this is the range like 34 750 to 800 in terms of Bank Nifty, because I feel like Bank Nifty is going to be like leading the rally, and maybe that can pull the Nifty little up for the next 2 to 3 days. This is what my expectation is. There is same level if you wanted to again look in terms of Nifty, like Nifty needs to be like traded above. So again, just look at the chart and take the last 3 days high. So that is going to be a very tricky place. So if in case you are looking for any reversal, so the moment the price sustain above this zone, then I expect a swift rally, and moreover it can happen during the period of expiry or even after expiry. This is what I am expecting. But next 3 to 4 days, even right from the Friday, I am expecting that market is going to consolidate, because whatever the selling is coming in terms of price action, it is not giving up. So though like last 2 days market was giving gap down opening, but the intraday price action suggesting there is no pressure in the market in terms of price action, moreover data point of view. So that's what I even feel like. And maybe for the next 2-3 days, again my view is very simple, because for me this will be the place somewhere around so 35,500 to 36,200 is the key level where I am expecting a kind of a trend line or a higher, so kind of you can call it as a lower high expectation. So if it is going to come here, only that is the place where I have a favorable risk reward to think about charting, or else we just need to see some kind of pullback needs to be there. And then if there is a evident point in terms of data point of view, if I had a sell, then I might be jumping as a sell. Certainly I am not going to sell this consolidation zone. This is what I have been seeing from last 2 to 3 days. And moreover Nifty, if you look at Nifty, so again Nifty is in the same way, but it is at the bottom of the zone. So Nifty is somewhere around almost looking at the day's close. But I expect Bank Nifty to be a front runner, and maybe Nifty can just go in line with Bank Nifty. So this is what generally I feel. And moreover again based on the price action, looking at Nifty down move, I don't think we will have an institutional net inflow today, but we just need to see as a number what my expectation is. So looking at Bank Nifty, I am expecting kind of flat opening, but looking at Nifty's price action, so I expect it is closing around day's low. So it's a kind of, again tomorrow is again going to be a kind of tricky opening based on the global scenario, and the globals were like last almost 4 to 5 days were continuously down. I expect again a small relief from global rally, so that can support whatever the next 2 to 3 days my perception about the market. So that's it from my side as an update. Maybe we will look at the tomorrow's opening, and moreover tomorrow I might be little busy, so my teammate and my friend Mr. Suresh will be presenting you the live market report tomorrow. So I ensure that people who are following us try to make sure that even though whatever your view is, let's make sure that whenever your view fails, ensure your risk is in control. That's what I can say, because market is a little high volatile environment. I'm looking at the global volatility of the US VIX trading around 32, 33, and our VIX also 32. So I ensure that I wanted to make ensure that you guys are be aware of the fact, and try to keep risk in check always, irrespective of whatever your view. So that's it for the day, and thanks for watching. Signing off, Damodharan.